Hi, I'm Charley Moore of Rocket Lawyer. As we wrap up this year like no other, we all have so much to reflect on and to be thankful about. From the pandemic to social justice, diversity and inclusion, to the election of President-elect Biden and Vice President-elect Harris, 2020 has been a year full of challenges for all of us, with opportunities for some of us. Some have seen the worst of it. Loved ones who have taken ill or have been tragically taken away. Businesses have been shut down, jobs lost, and dreams deferred. Millions have faced eviction and continue to live with the month-to-month specter of homelessness just a paycheck away. And this at a time when home became everything, where the kids go to school and mom and dad frequently go to work every day. On the other hand, the digital economy and those working in it have seen the demand for digital solutions skyrocket to levels that pre-pandemic trends may have taken up to a decade to realize. Every step of the way on our journey through this year like no other, we've been humbled by the resilience of our customers, our partners, our colleagues, and especially our families. Still, the number one question we're hearing these days is about when and how can we get back to normal. The answer is when enough of us are vaccinated. And that's where the hope is. The rest of this message is legal information about vaccinations from the perspective of getting back to in-person work. So, employers exercise broader powers to require vaccinations than you might think. The U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the EEOC, allows employers to require vaccination if the illness meets direct threat standards as set out in the Americans with Disabilities Act, the ADA. In fact, in March of 2020, the EEOC already issued a statement that confirmed that COVID-19 meets the requirements of the direct threat standard. But there are still exceptions to requiring vaccinations that employers should know about. First, they're medical exemptions. Under the ADA, employees can be exempt from receiving the vaccination if it will cause harm due to a covered disability. Also, there are religious exemptions. Under Title VII, employees can be exempt from the vaccination if they have a sincerely held religious belief against being vaccinated. Unless the employee meets either one of these exemptions, however, the employer can terminate an employee for not getting a required vaccination. Still, employers should tread carefully about removing employees if they refuse to get vaccinated, as that could damage morale, and should also be considered in light of the totality of the circumstances surrounding the employee and your workplace. Before finalizing your own policies and taking any action, make sure to consult with an attorney who can help you with your specific circumstances. Hopefully this information is helpful to you as you navigate your organization to a safe year-end and a healthy and prosperous new year.